Hey there! Looking for the CVV or card verification value on your Chase debit or credit card using the Chase app? Important note first, you cannot view your CVV code inside the Chase app or website for security reasons. This is intentional. Chase hides your CVV to help protect your account from fraud, especially in case someone gains access to your phone or log in. So, where do you find your CVV? Your CVV, also called CVC or security code, is a three-digit number on the back of your physical Chase debit or credit card, located to the right of the signature strip. You must have your physical card in hand to see it. Why do you need the CVV? The CVV is required when making online purchases, verifying your card for wallets or subscriptions, adding your card to Apple Pay and Google Pay, and etc. It's an extra layer of security to keep your card safe. What if you lost your card? If your card is lost or stolen and you need your CVV, go to the Chase app or website, lock your card immediately, then request a replacement. Need help? Contact Chase customer service through the app or website. And that's it. That's how to find the CVV on the Chase app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.